Hi guys, how are you? Welcome to my channel again. Today we are making amala. To make a fluffy amala, you need some strength and you have to be very fast. So this is the hand look. So let's start by boiling water. Get your pot, pour your water from the kettle, pre-boil it, and once it's boiled, and you have to wait for the to come up once it's bubbling. So at this point, make sure you turn down the heat and pour the Elubo. It's traditionally called Elubo, which is yam flour. Pour it. There are different types of amala. We have the one that they made with plantain, which is much healthier than this. It's actually good for the diabetic patient. So this is yam amala. So at this point, you have to make sure it's well beaten till you do not see the white part of it anymore. The initial base of how you make your amala complement the end look of it. So you have to make sure it's very fluffy. And what you're going to do at this point is you have to make sure it's a bit thicker than the actual texture, because further on we're going to add more water and boil it to to enhance it to cook further. One thing about amala is it has to be properly cooked or else it's going to run your stomach. So you can see the way I'm doing it. So you mix it thoroughly. This is actually for 3 people. Make sure you mix it and mix it and mix it and mix it, which makes it very fluffy. So once the white is a bit disappearing, look at it, I'm checking the texture here. It has to, at this point, it has to be thicker, which is stronger than the actual texture you want it at the end of it. So make sure it's very thick. Then at this point, once it's well mixed, then you add water. The water you're adding is to enhance it to cook again furtherly, and at this point it's going to steam it. So once you add the water, make sure you just punch it. You see the way I'm punching it. Put some hole in it. Use your the stick, the wood stick, to punch the hole in it. Then you're going to cover it and let it cook for additional probably 10 minutes, depending on the size portion you're making, and you just punch it and you cover it. So let's cook this one. You just let it cook for like 8 to 10 minutes, and that is good. Then you're going to do another exercise, is ham exercise again. After you cook it further for 10 minutes, then you're going to, now this is the final stage of it. Then you're now going to do another arm exercise and mix till it becomes fluffy, sorry. Make sure you incorporate the water into it, then that makes it very fluffy. So watch the transition of how it looks at this point till it goes further and further. So the more you beat it, you mix it, then you're going to see the consistency in the look and the fluffiness, the texture of it. So it keeps changing at this point. Watch, then you see how it keeps changing and keeps changing. Anyway, this is an assignment for you. Please, at the end of this video, make sure you do not forget, copy the link, put it on your WhatsApp status so that some of your friends will get to see it. Thank you for all those that are subscribed. I do appreciate. And you can see the texture at this point. So see how it looks. So it's completely different from when we started, when we added the water, and this one. Okay, so to make a fluffy amala, these are the secrets. At the beginning, if you're not an expert, turn the heat down to avoid lumps. So this is it. So the way we serve our amala is that you transfer it to the pot that you into the plate that you'll be eating for. But if you're not eating immediately, in order for you not to get cold, you wrap it in the nylon and you just put it in your cooler to keep it warm. So those are the two ways. But if you're eating it straight away, just from the pot to your plate and your soup, and you're good to go. But if you're not eating it straight away, you just wrap it this way, wrap it in some other clothes, then put it in the cooler that keeps it warm and fresh. So guys, this is how to make amala. I hope you learned something new today. Thank you for tuning in. I do appreciate you. I love you guys. Click the like button, subscribe, and remember to share my video. So this is it, you wrap it. And another secret I would like to share with you, you see this cup in which I'm using to dish it out, just put a little bit of oil in it, then that makes it very easy for it to come out. You can see the way it's coming out from the spoon, it just come out easily. So this is how to make amala. Thank you, and remember to subscribe, like, and share with your friend. See you again in my next video. Take care. Bye bye. Have a lovely day. Yeah.